United Association has great opportunities. If you want great pay and excellent benefits and have the desire to be successful, a career as an HVAC technician is right for you. Learn skills that keep you at the top of your trade. Our UA continuing education programs keeps you on the cutting edge of the newest technology and also offer you the chance to earn your college degree. Get paid while you go to school. In the classroom and on the job, our UA comprehensive training programs offer members the best instruction in the country. Don't wait. A challenging and rewarding career is right at your fingertips. The United Association, we do it right the first time.